totally unobstructed view. Do you want to live in the yachting capital of the world? Here's your opportunity. The Pilot House in Coral Ridge neighborhood. Treat yourself to incredible intracoastal views. It's a resort-style setting with a circular driveway and covered entrance, impeccably maintained, with secured access. When you enter the unit, you will be greeted by a wall of windows with breathtaking views. The kitchen has plenty of counter space, cabinets, and a laundry closet. The primary bedroom has room for a seating area where you can capture sunrises. It's your window to the world. The building is on a point lot with 1,000+ feet of waterfront. The pool and barbecue area are also right on the water. Make this your paradise. Dock space is on a first-come, first-served basis for up to a 50-foot boat. One mile down the Intracoastal on Bayview Drive is the Coral Ridge Country Club. Fine dining, great golf courses, and tennis courts. A little further down the Intracoastal is the Coral Ridge Yacht Club. So much to do, so much to see, so much to enjoy. Call for an appointment or more information. Call Karen Foster, 561-212-7769. Again, it's Karen Foster, 561-212-7769.